Hello everyone, welcome back to CodeCrafter. From today onwards, we are going to solve daily lead code challenges. So today it's 8th April 2024. So the problem what we have today is problem number 1700, number of students who are unable to eat lunch. So let me go with the problem first. And the school cafeteria offers circular and square sandwiches at a lunch break. They referred as numbers with the zeros and ones respectively. So all students need to stand in a queue, and each student either prefer square or a circular sandwiches. So it's clearly saying that either each student either prefers a square or a circular sandwiches. Number of, if you see the line here, you'll get a clear idea. So the number of sandwiches in the cafeteria is equal to the number of students. So all sandwiches are placed in a stack. So let's see the next line of statement what they have mentioned. So if the student at the front row in a queue prefers the sandwich at the top level of the stack, so they will take it and leave it. If they don't uh, prefer that one, and they will leave it and they'll add to the queue at the end. So if you see the example, you'll get a clear idea. So if you see here, on example, we have a students of list and their preferences and the sandwiches, and what's the type of the sandwich is there. So see the example of explanation. The front student leaves. I mean, first student is one. They prefer to go for a one, and but sandwiches stack is on a zero. So we'll leave and add at the end. So it's clearly saying that. So on the next line of explanation, French student, the next one is one. It's they will take it and leave it, probably. Not really, I think so. No, it's a one and zero, so they don't take it, right? So they'll go and they will add at the end. See here. And for the next line, so it's a for the next student, they like to have a circular sandwiches. So they take it and they leave it. It's in the followed way. So let me go with the code explanation once. And if you see here, I have taken the length of the sandwiches first, and I have counted their preferences, student preferences with Z with the number of circular sandwiches they like to have, and for O with the number of sandwiches which are in a square shape. So I used a for loop to based on sandwiches. So because I enumerated because I need index of the sandwich also. So if you follow with the code, and you'll get an idea about it. So I'm just checking the string value. If the string value is s equal to 1, and o is also o is a count, right? So if your o count is more than 1, and you will decrement the o count and you will continue the loop. And if the condition doesn't satisfies, and you'll move to the next line of code. So it's clearly saying that the if the sandwich is circular, and the zero value, which is a count of zero is count of circular is greater than zero, we will decrement it and we will continue. So if there is any problem, which means we will return the number, the size of, what we can say, the length of sandwich minus index of the sandwich. So if for loop iterates continuously without any problem, we will return zero. If any um, if any problem comes, we will return the length of the sandwiches minus index where we get the problem. So let me run the code once. If you see here, it's getting submitted. So we successfully finished the code, and yeah, perfectly done. And if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. So thank you for watching CodeCrafter. So if you like to see another solution, please follow the description. So you'll get a link there. So thank you. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.